today we'll look into basic concepts on kinematics. Yeah. Let's discuss the basic concept of this topic, kinematics. Let's start with distance. Distance. What is distance? Sam, tell us. Yeah. Distance is the total length covered by an object. Yes. From when it started, the motion, till the end of the motion. That's your distance. People often confuse distance with displacement. Quickly, I will clear you on these two concepts. Displacement, on the other hand, is the shortest length, straight line. It's often, in fact, is a straight line. Shortest length covered by an object in motion. The shortest length covered by an object in motion. I will go further to make you understand the difference between these two. In distance, we are only concerned about the total length the object covered. If an object goes from here to here to here, back to here, here, yes, total length from all this place, that is my distance. But displacement is the initial point and the final point, the shortest distance, shortest length from my initial to my final. That is my displacement. Distance is total length traveled. Displacement, shortest distance between the initial and the final. Also, we include direction. We include the direction of the motion. So we are saying that displacement has direction. Yes, therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. It has magnitude and direction. While distance is just the total length, just the magnitude only. Total length, that means distance is a scalar. So the clear difference between distance and displacement is that distance is a scalar and displacement is a vector quantity. Yes. So I am saying that displacement, yes, displacement is the change in position. The change in position, which is equal to the initial position, let's say initial sub I minus the final. Displacement is the change in position. Position is also a concept in kinematics. We want to do 2D and 3D, 2-dimension and 3-dimensional motion, you understand better about position. Position is a vector quantity, yes. Yes, just that it always have a reference point. Yes. Let me say, position of an object. I can say that my car is 10 kilometers away from home. I've given you the position of my car. Positioning always contains a reference point. So position is the location of an object in motion. Position is the location of an object from a reference point. Yes. Yes. Let me give you a clear example. Let me give you a question that will help elaborate these three concepts for you. Quickly, let's take the question down. Let me clean this. Yeah, so the question is this. A person walks 6 meters east, then turns around and walks 4 meters west. The first question says, find the distance covered. Find the distance covered by this person. Question B says, find the displacement. Question C says, if the starting point is 0, find the position of the person. And it's simple. Some of us don't understand these cardinal points. When you hear east, west, north, and south, your brains will scatter automatically. Let me show you. Your cardinal point goes like this. Also, your graph does that plot graph. Your graph looks like this. Your north is the path up. Your y-axis is the north. Then your negative y-axis down is the south. The x-axis here is positive, here is negative. Positive side is your east. The negative x is your west. Once you know this thing, it won't be a problem to you anymore. Now, the question says, we are assuming that the reference point is from the origin. So, a person walks 6 meters east. He was somewhere. It could be anywhere, but we assume it's from the origin. He walks towards the east. He walks towards the east. He walks this way. He walks 6 meters. Let's say from here to here is 6 meters. Now, when he got here, what happened? He turned around. Yes. He turned around and now walked west. Where is west? What is there? I mean that he turned around and walked back to where he was coming from. This time, he walked just 4 meters. So, in the actual sense, the person walked like this. From here, my blue marker. From here, he walked. When he reached 6 meters, he turned and walked back. But this time, he did not walk back 6 meters. He walked only 4 meters. So with this analogy, it's clear. You will see that the distance covered, let's use D for distance. You can still use S. Distance covered is both the one he walked towards east and the one he came back to west. So distance covered will be 6 plus 4, and that is 10 meters. Distance will add everything, the total length he covered, that is what? Distance. Now displacement. Displacement here, as you can see, we assume that he started from this origin, this point. Now he walked 6 meters. He now came back to 4 meters. He is now somewhere here on the x-axis. Now, displacement is not the distance he covered. Displacement is the shortest length from where he is currently and where he started from. So we are going to find the length from this point to this point. The distance between these two places. That is our displacement. Yeah. So my displacement is just this distance from here to here. And it's simple. If from here to here is 6, and from here to here is 4, then my displacement S is going to be 6 minus 4, which is 2 meters. Shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. Yes. Now, question 6 says, if the starting point is 0, I told you earlier, positioning must give you a reference point. Position must have a reference point. Here it says, if the initial position is 0, that's the origin, find the position of the person. It's simple. The person's position now, let's use X, will be equal to 2 meters east. Yes, that's my position. Now let me explain more on this. What if this person did not start from the origin? What if he started from 4 meters? What if he started from 4 meters east and made this movement? What will be his position? What if, I'm asking you now, east, west, north, and south? Apart from solving this question, what if this person started from here, from 4 meters? He started from here, he now moved 6 meters, now turned back and moved 4 meters again. What will be his current position? Do you know? Yes. Because he was at 4 meters, when he moved 6 meters front, towards east, it means that total distance he has covered now, if I reference the origin, is now 10. So my position based on this is going to be this 4 plus the 6 he moved, that's 10 minus 4. Yes, 10 minus 4 give us 6 meters east. That would be his new position. Yeah. Let's take more questions or more examples and solve in the app. When we get to 2D and 3D, I will explain more for you on positioning as a concept in kinematics. Once more, this is Lenestra, and I am Holgate Emmanuel.